Imagine doing everything right. You went to college, you got the job, you skipped the expensive lattes, and you diligently put away $200 every single month into your retirement account. And then, you look at the math. By the time you turn 65, that house you wanted won't cost $400,000. It'll cost $2 million. Your groceries will cost triple. And that retirement fund? It looks like a complete joke. This is why millions of young people right now are doing something that drives traditional financial gurus absolutely insane. They aren't lazy. They aren't stupid. They are intentionally quitting saving for retirement. This is called the reverse retirement trend. And honestly, the math behind why they are doing it might actually make total sense. Welcome back to Sam Finance, the place where we break down the real world of money without the boring fluff. If you are tired of the old, outdated financial advice that just doesn't work in today's economy, you are in the right place. Before we dissect this crazy trend, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, drop a comment below about your biggest financial frustration right now, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps you ahead of the game. Now, let's look at the real problem. To understand why Gen Z is throwing the traditional rulebook out the window, we have to look at the harsh reality. For decades, the formula was simple. Work hard, save 10%, put it in a 401k, and buy a house. But today, that formula is completely broken. Traditional gurus love to blame TikTok or Starbucks. Just don't buy that avocado toast, Sam, they say. But let's do some real math. When rent takes up 50% of your income, student loans take another 20%, and healthcare takes the rest. Saving $50 a month for a retirement that is 40 years away feels less like a strategy and more like an insult. It's a psychological phenomenon called financial dysmorphia mixed with doom spending. When young people realize that the milestone metrics, like owning a home, are structurally locked behind a wall of hyperinflation, a shift happens in the brain. They think, if I can never afford a house anyway, why am I living like a monk today? Just to be rich when I'm too old to enjoy it? But here is where the story changes. The smartest people in this trend aren't just blowing their money on clothes and vacations. They are practicing reverse retirement. Instead of locking their cash in a 401k prison until they are 65, they are investing heavily in the present. They are using that money to buy high-income skills, build online businesses, or invest in liquid assets that generate income now. They want freedom at 30, not survival at 70. So let me ask you a serious question, and I want you to be completely honest in the comments right now. Would you rather sacrifice your youth to guarantee a comfortable retirement at age 65? Or would you rather take the risk, skip the traditional retirement fund, and try to build wealth you can use right now? Pause the video and type your answer below. I really want to see where you guys stand on this. But remember how we started this video. Doing nothing is a trap. If you just quit saving and spend everything on instant gratification, that inflation monster we talked about earlier will destroy you. The reverse retirement trend only works if you replace passive saving with active investing. If you stop putting money into traditional accounts, you must force that money into building assets that pay you today. Otherwise, you aren't beating the system, you are just letting the system beat you. The economic landscape has changed, and the old rules are dead. It's time to build wealth on your own terms. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to hit that like button and share this with someone who is stressed about their financial future. And if you want to know exactly where the ultra-rich are moving their money to beat this inflation, click on the next video right here on your screen. Thanks for watching Sam Finance. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.